team win football games, but can you win today, win tomorrow next? That differentiates big teams and smaller teams. Consistency winning every day. If you are not winning every day, you can't win the Premier League. If you are not winning every day, you can't be in top four. You can't get top four. So it's not about winning, Maresca. It's about winning every day. And when you come to Chelsea, Chelsea is a big team. The definition of Chelsea is winning. As a Chelsea fan, I am expecting Chelsea to go into a season and win the Premier League, get top four, win Champions League. That is Chelsea. That is the Chelsea that we used to know. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is your boy Richman. In fact, guys, after our disaster game against Aston Villa, Enzo Maresca said something to we the Chelsea fans. So let's look at them one after the other. And before we do that, guys, please hit the like button to help this video reach a wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. And let's start with the first one that he said. After our loss, the press asked him about our performance so far. And Enzo Maresca said, we didn't deserve to lose. Chelsea didn't deserve to lose. We gave our best. The guys gave their all. Yes, guys, as we are reading on the screen, Enzo Maresca says so. When I saw it, I said, really? Am I reading the reality? Am I reading from Enzo Maresca's own words, from his mouth words? No. This should not be true. Because, guys, how on earth 10 games play, 2 wins? My manager is telling me that we didn't deserve to lose. We deserve to win. We play better. He even said we play better in those previous games. We didn't deserve to lose. What, Enzo Maresca? Are you being fair? Are you being honest? Look at the horrible performance our guys display, and you are saying that we didn't deserve to lose. In fact, this our game against Aston Villa. To some extent, I thought the game was ended. Yes, because the guys was just playing. To some extent, they stopped passing the ball. They just stopped as if the 90 minutes was up. I was asking myself, what am I watching? Am I watching the Chelsea that is playing to end top 4 at the end of this season? I said, what? Hi, guys. In fact, Charlie, this is not the Chelsea that we used to know. No. Our players and our coach, they are not serious. They are jokers. They are comedians. See, they are playing with our heart and our emotions. They are pretending. They are pretenders. They are not ready to play for Chelsea. They are not ready to give Chelsea competitive football, to give Chelsea competitive performance. Yes, Enzo Maresca is defending undefendable. Enzo Maresca is defending shame. Enzo Maresca is defending disaster, guys. Look at the performance. Look at the performance from our players. Our manager said that we didn't deserve to lose. Look at the way the guys play. No intensity, no energy, nothing to show that Chelsea wanted to win the game. Even Chelsea scoring the first goal, I was surprised. I said, what? Look at the way we are playing. Then we didn't deserve to win this game. At the end of the game, it happened. We could not win because the way and manner we were playing, we can't see. We were like Aston Villa, they were tired. Yes, 3 games, yes, 3 days leading to that game. They were tired. We rested 8 days. They rested 3 days, 8 days, more than a week. But still, we could not beat them. Yes, they were even having the intensity more than our players. The energy, the way they approached the game, it was better than we rested for 1 week or more than 1 week. So, guys, this is why Enzo Maresca is not a big team manager. One of the reasons why Enzo Maresca is not Chelsea manager, Chelsea coach, he can't do it. He doesn't have the mentality. He is following the owners. He is just a puppet, a dog, listening to whatever the owners is telling him. See, I can tell you that it was pressure that mounted on Maresca, and he said now Chelsea target is top 4. In his brain, in his mind, in his head, he knows very well that he doesn't have the winning mentality. Enzo Maresca still stick to Chelsea not getting top 4 this season. The top hierarchy still stick to that. They are now pretending to win the fast, to be okay, to remove the pressure from them, not the protest to come or Chelsea fans to be okay. Okay, now our owners are saying that, okay, the top 4 is now the target this season. Okay, our owners, they are not thinking the way that we want. They are not saying that. See, they are all liars up there. They are not ready to compete. They are ready to do their business. And another thing they asked Enzo Maresca, guys, about our goalkeeping position. about our goal. See, Enzo Maresca said that when the season started, he wasn't satisfied with our goalkeeping position. But this same Enzo Maresca, when Sanchez was doing those mistakes here and there, he was defending him. He said if we are talking about Sanchez doing mistakes, 1, 2, or 3, or 4 mistakes, we should also talk about the time that Sanchez saved Chelsea. The time that Sanchez saved Chelsea. Yes, he was defending him. And now he is telling us that when the season started, he wasn't okay with our goalkeeping position. Yes, they even asked me about Jorgensen starting the next game, and he said he doesn't know. Yes, you can't know, you can't tell, because you are a confused manager following confused owners who knows nothing about football. So you can't tell. So guys, now a big question here: who should start our next game, Jorgensen or Sanchez? Because now it seems we don't have a reliable goalkeeper. That Brighton game, Jorgensen was having a problem there. I can tell you, his position was incorrect in that game. Yes, so now big confusion. Big question here: who should be our first goalkeeper recent? Because previously Sanchez was giving out goals. Now Jorgensen also started. And this our goalkeeping position. For me, I will blame it on the directors. How? See guys, we have goalkeepers like, I can tell, like 6 to 7 goalkeepers. See, our goalkeepers, they can even form a team. We have so many goalkeepers. And upon all that, Chelsea doesn't have a reliable goalkeeper. I am very surprised. See, upon all the numbers of goalkeepers that we signed, we can't tell who can be on Chelsea's first goalkeeper, be our reliable goalkeeper, who can save Chelsea, who can be in terms of need. We don't have a reliable goalkeeper. This is disaster. 1.5 billion spent. Chelsea doesn't have a reliable goalkeeper. Chelsea doesn't have a goalkeeper who can save us in big occasions, who can save us in terms of need. Yes, so I'm blaming the sporting directors and the owners. They are the problem here. Signing goalkeepers or signing players who can play for Chelsea. See, not every player can play for Chelsea. See, not every player can play for a big team. Yes, see, we have players around the world. They all have their levels. Players have their levels. Some players, when they go to the smaller clubs, they will be their Messi and their Ronaldo. Yes, Maradona and co. But immediately they come to the big club, they can play. Yes, players has levels. Not every player can play for Chelsea. Not every player can play for Manchester United, Arsenal, or Liverpool, or Man City. I'm telling you, players has level. But these our owners, they refuse to accept that. They could not identify that. Yes, they were signing everybody for Chelsea. Signing 20 years, 19 years, 18 years, 22 years. Everybody was coming for Chelsea under this new ownership. Yes. Any player can play for Chelsea under Todbolo ownership, Eric Bailly and Clearly Capital ownership. So guys, they asked Maresca about our goalkeeping position, and Maresca said now he can't tell the goalkeeper who will start the next game because Sanchez, Jorgensen, almost the same recently. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. Yes. And let's come to Cole Palmer. They also asked him about Cole Palmer frustration. Cole Palmer gave one pass to Nkunku. Nkunku could not take that pass. Cole Palmer became frustrated. And even if you are observing Cole Palmer well recently, he is not on form anymore. Cole Palmer is not giving his best. And see, since Jackson injured up to today's, yes, all the game that we play, Cole Palmer is no more in our games. Cole Palmer became frustrated. So they asked Maresca about it. And Maresca said Cole Palmer is a top player. Top players, they want to win. Top players, yes, they hate to lose football games. So for that matter, he hope Cole Palmer will be happy. Cole Palmer will continue with Chelsea. What and what, as you are seeing on the screen, guys. And guys, I'm telling you, see, Cole Palmer is going to give Chelsea another season. This season is over for Cole Palmer. Yes, he will accept it. But I am telling you, see, next season, if things doesn't change, Cole Palmer will leave. See, this kind of players, sometimes it is not about them, but their family. But those around them, their agent in charge. See, next season, if things doesn't change, next season, if Chelsea will continue playing this way, not being a top team or playing like a big club anymore, just being a mid-table team again, Cole Palmer will leave. The following season, Cole Palmer will, I'm telling you, mark this, screen record this area down. If things doesn't change next season, Cole Palmer is going to give Chelsea one season, and that season will be next season. next season. If things doesn't change, Cole Palmer is leaving Chelsea. See, Maresca saw it. And if you are also observing very well as a fan, you will see it. For me, I saw it already. Cole Palmer will leave Chelsea if things doesn't change. And any day that Cole Palmer asks to leave Chelsea, that will be a disaster because it will continue like that. Caicedo, it will come to a time he will ask to leave because he knows that he is good. Yes, he can win trophies somewhere. Cucurella and co. Yes, they will ask to leave. Yes, if a big player, good player playing for a smaller club, like the smaller club that we used to know, if they have good player in their team, it comes to a time that that player want to go to the big teams, yes, to show his quality and win trophies. And now, Chelsea tend to smaller club. Let's be honest, the way we are playing now, we are now a small team. So imagine Cole Palmer being in a small team. He will leave. He will leave and go to somewhere and get trophy. Yes, show his potential to the world. Maybe win Ballon d'Or in the future. If Chelsea is being mid-table team, how can you be in Chelsea and win Ballon d'Or as a player? No. So guys, Cole Palmer will leave if things doesn't change. And for things to change, Bluko must leave. Or they must change the project, which I don't think Bluko will change the project. So guys, we are in danger as Chelsea fans. We are in danger zone as Chelsea fans. If Cole Palmer leave, it will see Vega, he could not have the patience. He left. Felix, he could not have the patience. He has gone. The same way it will continue if things doesn't change. The same way it will continue if things doesn't change. So guys, they asked Maresca about Cole Palmer frustration, and Maresca, he can't do anything. He has to praise him because Cole Palmer is good. He's good. Cole Palmer can play for any team in Europe, in this world. Yes. They also asked Maresca about our away performance, and Maresca said that is football. We should come together. That some days ago we were winning our past 5 games away. We won what and what. See, in Chelsea don't win football games. We win football games every day. We win football games, consistency. Every team win football game. See, those in relegation, they have wins. So when we are talking about winning, it's just a normal thing. Every team win football games. But can you win today, win tomorrow next? That differentiates big teams and smaller teams. Consistency winning every day. If you are not winning every day, you can't win the Premier League. If you are not winning every day, you can't be in top 4. You can't get top 4. So it's not about winning, Maresca. It's about winning every day. And when you come to Chelsea, Chelsea is a big team. The definition of Chelsea is winning. As a Chelsea fan, I am expecting Chelsea to go into a season and win the Premier League, get top 4, win Champions League. That is Chelsea. That is the Chelsea that we used to know. So when you are telling me that we were winning, now we are no more winning, and that is not Chelsea. How can you be winning and at a point you are no more winning as a Chelsea team? No. Chelsea is a winning everyday team. Chelsea is not a building team. Chelsea is not waiting for 2 or 3 years, 5 years to come team. No. We are not used to that. And big teams, every big team that want to compete and win titles. Big team, we don't know building a team for the future. No, that is why we were signing team's best players, arrange them, bring them together in our team and win trophies. So guys, it's not about winning as Maresca said. It's about winning every day. It's about consistency, consecutive winning, like the way Brighton beat us in the FA Cup, beat us in Premier League, not Chelsea level, not our level. That is not the Chelsea that we used to know. Ask Barcelona, even Real Madrid. Real Madrid can't beat Chelsea in a Champions League the following season and beat Chelsea again. No. That was a big team. Yes, that is the character or the atmosphere in a big team. No, big team doesn't accept 2 defeats in a row. So guys, Maresca said we were winning, what. See, let's pray for our Chelsea. Let's pray for so that if we go for the protest, things happen, things change, so that this owners sell Chelsea and go. If not that, I hope you heard that Tobolo was selling tickets online on his official site separately. Yes, making his money. They are here for money. They are here for business. They don't care about competition in the field. Look at the players they are signing for us to go and play in the Premier League. See, in the Premier League, for your team to win the Premier League, you need to have everything. See, you need to have good bench. You need to have good starting 11. That is why Arsenal is struggling to win the league. You can't manage and win the league. To win the league, you need to have a good striker, good midfielders, and good defenders, and a good manager. So it's not a joke to be in the Premier League. You can't use inexperienced players to win the Premier League. You can't even use inexperienced player to be getting top 4 every season. No. So guys, that is what Enzo Maresca said after our game. Yes. So let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this. And please hit the like button for this video to go far, and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. And another video is coming about Liverpool and Manchester City game and what it means to Chelsea. So please let me hear from you under the comment section. When you leave a comment and hit the like button, it helps this video to go far on the YouTube algorithm. Take care. Peace.